Well, the summer weather means people are spending more time outdoors, but that doesn't necessarily mean you have to put away your smartphone.
Tech expert Marc Saltzman is back with a look at 5 apps that can help enhance your fun in the sun.
Summer is in full swing, and because you don't go anywhere without your smartphone, let's take a look at a few apps to help you get the most out of the season, beginning with Tasty. With more than 4,000 recipes, including many tied to grilling on the barbecue, the free Tasty app is a delicious download. It includes videos to follow along with, step-by-step instructions, a My Recipes page, which serves as your own mobile cookbook, and a powerful search tool that allows you to filter by any ingredients, cuisine, and social occasion. If you're a vegetarian or have allergies, you can also personalize the app to not show you specific ingredients. You can even select ingredients you already have in your kitchen, and the Tasty app will recommend what dish you can make with it. It's a free download for iOS and Android. Next up, now that we're going out more cautiously, you may want to consider the app Waze to get around. If you're going on a road trip, Waze is a must-have app for drivers to help you get to where you're going as quickly and safely as possible. Now owned by Google, Waze crowdsources traffic and road data from millions of users to deliver real-time info on the roads, including traffic, accidents, and construction, so you're warned in advance and might see an alternate route. And that includes being notified about upcoming speed traps. Other features include the option to play music or podcasts right from within the Waze app. You can find the cheapest gas along the way and find discounts to nearby restaurants. Waze is a free download. All right, next up. Many, if not most, Canadian camps are canceled this year, but that doesn't mean you can't take the family on a camping trip, and there is an app for that. This is the official Parks Canada's national app. Find a location to stay at or read up on day trips, based on your location or where you're off to. With the new Learn to Camp section, find all the info you need to plan and enjoy your first camping trip, complete with recipes, packing lists, insider tips, and the ability to create personalized itineraries. When you're at the campsite, open up the app to find trail maps to explore. You can find special events and more. Again, that's the free Parks Canada's national app for both iOS and Android. And if you like to read this summer, perhaps in a hammock or by a pool or lake, consider the free app Kobo. Yes, Kobo is a family of ebook readers, which are easier to read outside than a phone or tablet, and many are waterproof, but the free Kobo app is also handy since all your books are synchronized. That means you can start on, say, an iPad and then continue on a Kobo e-reader. The app also lets you change the font style and size to suit your tastes, and you can double tap a word to get a dictionary definition. You can also load up all your books in the app regardless of where you acquired them. Don't forget, Kobo also lets you borrow books from your local library. You just need a library card to get going. The Kobo app is a free download for multiple platforms. All right, if you're more of a gamer than a reader, check out the Apple Arcade service for at home or on the go. For only $5.99 a month after the free trial, Apple Arcade gives you unlimited access to more than 100 ad-free games, with new titles added all the time. Parents will also like there are no in-app purchases, as it's all part of the monthly subscription. Up to 6 family members can share the same account. And there are some fantastic games to play, covering all genres, including plenty of Canadian content, like this title called Where Cards Fall from Toronto's Snowman Studios. Just keep in mind you'll need an Apple product to play Apple Arcade, so that's iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV. Well, there you have it, a look at 5 great apps to help welcome the summer, to keep you cooking, road tripping, camping, reading, and playing. I'm Marc Saltzman.